Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today we're building a backyard chipping game. And I know there are other chipping games out there. However, using a hard surface and a foam ball causes a lot of ricochet and can make a good shot look bad in a hurry. So we decided to go with felt and Velcro plastic balls to make it so that all your good shots stick to the board. Let's get started. So the problem I've seen with most other chipping games or backyard chipping games is that you're trying to hit a golf ball or a practice golf ball into some sort of net, or there's a lot of hard surfaces. Therefore, that ball is going to ricochet off and end up Lord knows where. So today we're going to be making something with a little bit softer surface, a lighter golf ball with Velcro on it to stick to the felt that we're going to use as our surface. So I'm going to start by taking this 1/2-inch quarter sheet of plywood, which is 2 foot by 4 foot long, and I'm going to wrap it with batting and our 1-point scoring zone, which is the dark green felt. So the dark green felt will act as kind of like the rough. That will be 1 point, the 1-point scoring zone. So I got some lighter green felt that will kind of act as the green, and that will be your 2-point scoring zone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of cut this out in the shape of a green, and it's gonna be a little kidney shape like that, maybe, I don't know. So I've got 2 here. I'm just going to cut them out together, 1 for each board. And then in the middle of the green, there will be a white circle, and that will be the cup. That'll be the 3-point scoring zone. So we'll cut this out, and we're going to stick it down with hot glue to bond the felts to one another. Now, before we attach the kidney shape green, we're gonna cut out the cup so we can kind of locate it all exactly how we want it. It's gonna be about 6 inches in diameter. Just look around your house for something round. We found a roll of tape that worked out. It was pretty close to 6 inches. So I'm gonna trace this and then cut it out with scissors. And again, lay that all out and attach it with hot glue. Okay, so with our first board, we adhered the green and then we adhered the cup. However, the white felt with the hot glue, it started to kind of discolor it a little bit, so we really didn't like that look. What we ultimately decided for the second board was to cut a hole in the green and then put a square of white behind that. We stapled that down and hot glued that in place as well as the green, and it turned out great. Now, we followed up with some hot glue on the back just to keep those edges nice and tight. And we're gonna come back and I'm gonna install 8-inch pipe nipples to the bottom of the board, and that's gonna act as our feet in the back to give that angle that we want. Okay, so for the balls, we're gonna be using these yellow and white practice balls, and they're perfect because they're light enough that they'll stick to the mat. However, we need to wrap them with Velcro. And kind of what I found to work best was these, they come in a pack of 12 squares. And what I do is I cut them into strips like this. So basically they're cut into fourths. And then everywhere there's like a gap in between these, the holes in the ball, I put a piece of that Velcro. Now we're gonna be using the hook side of the Velcro and not the loop. That's kind of like the harder side. We'll stick those on. I've got yellow and white balls for opposing teams, and then we'll be ready to play. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project. We love it, and I've tried it out. It actually works really good. We've got the fairway is the dark green felt, and that's gonna be 1 point. We got 2 points for the green, that's the light green felt, and then 3 points for the white cup in the middle. Now, this is played just like cornhole, but a little bit closer together, where the points cancel each other out. We've got 5 balls per player. You can play 1-on-1 or you can play 2-on-2. And I was even able to find some taller turf at Jo-Ann Fabrics that is perfect for playing on concrete, whether you're tailgating or playing in a non-grass surface. If you want more details on this project, make sure you click that link right there. That's gonna take you on over to the website where I've got all the written information. And make sure you hit that subscribe button right there so that you don't miss out on any future projects. Until next time, be safe and happy building.